Okay. Round 2, the disaster is earthquake.
Now an earthquake. Let's get to the bottom. The door is locked. Oh no, what?
Crap, the building is collapsing. Do you have any smart ideas on how to survive?
I have an idea. Let's grab the wall and hold it. Someone, help me.
I'm coming for you, big brother. Wait, I think I have a balloon in here somewhere. Matt, hold on to my leg. You will be safe. Well, my entire life flashed before my eyes.
You are a lifesaver, big brother.